Hi everyone. Now we will learn how we can apply pagination with the MySQL data list in Laravel. So first let me tell you what is pagination and what I'm talking about, then we'll go with the points and other thing. So right now you can see that in this student list we have 10 to 15 data and they are easily in the readable format. But let's say you have 50,000 or 1 lakh data in your student list and you want to read them on the browser. First thing, they are not easily readable only on the single page because you have to scroll a lot to read such amount of data. Second thing, maybe your browser will not work properly, it will work slowly, or maybe it got hanged because this is a very large amount of data when we are talking about 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 10 lakh rows on a single page. Right. So what we need to do in this case, we basically apply the pagination. Pagination means we will get a specific amount of data only on the single page, and then we have some page number there, like 1 page, 2 page, 3 page. We can click on the any of the page and the data will display according to that page only. And only on the single page, maybe we want to show the 50 data, 100, or maybe 10 data only. And I'm very sure you've seen that pagination in the lots of platforms. So in Laravel, what we need to do for apply this pagination? See, this is very simple to apply pagination in Laravel. First, we have to apply the pagination function in the database result. After that, we have to put the pagination link to our view file. And maybe we need to add some style also, and that's all. After that, you will see the pagination and you can easily use them also. This is the playlist for Laravel 11 and that will definitely help you out for Laravel job, project and interviews. You can access this playlist from description box of this part. Alright, so now let's move on the code, and first let's move to the controller, student controller.php, and this list function is basically responsible to show the list of all data there. So right now what I want, for example, I just want to show only 10 result on the single page. And how many results we have? So let me open the MySQL students, and now you can see that we have 13 data there, right? So let me see how we can display only the 10 results there. So you can remove this all function and put the paginate, right? So this is the function which is responsible to show the limited amount of data, and if I just pass there 10, it will allow only to display 10 records on a single page. So if I just refresh, now you can see that even if you want, then you can count there are only 10 results. So let's say if I just put 5, then you will get only 5 results. Here you can see that if you just put there 2, then you will get only 2 results per page. So that's fine. We understand that this is a kind of limit that we can see that there, but the thing is how we can move to the next page. There is no option to move on the next page. So first let me put only 5 results per page like this, and to display the links and display the next upcoming pages there, we just need to do one thing. Simply go to the your list student.blade.php file and see this student data has the links property also. So, and that we are passing to the list student view with the students variable. Here you can see that we are using this students variable. So if I'm just opening there, here you can see that this is a students variable, right? So just go below to this table and simply use double curly braces like this, and then you need to use their $students, right? And after that link, and this is a function, keep in mind. And after that you will see, you can see the okay, let me see, link is not available. Yeah, actually that's my bad, this is not a link, this is a links. Yeah, so I just need to use the links. And now if you'll refresh, now you can see that we got previous and next. If I just click on the next, it will show the results. So for next pages, and there are the result which we are showing there, and this is perfectly working fine. But we have only previous and next button, so something it should be like page number 1, 2, 3 or something. Yeah, there are also there, but see, if you just scroll down, you will find some icons which is greater than or less than, or maybe you can see that pagination icons, and in between them we have the page number 1, 2 and 3 and all, right? The reasoning is we have to add some little bit style. So for that, I know that on which classes we have to apply the style, but better if I can show you in the inspect element. So there you can see that if I just simply put there with 10 pixel, right? And then see this icon, this is a little bit slower. If I just remove this, now you have, this is the bigger icon. And similarly, again we have one more icon, this. So if I just put there with 10 pixel, now this is perfectly working fine, right? So the thing is, we can use this class, and let's add some style there, style, and inside this simply use these classes, and we have to put the dot to use these classes, and they are applied on the same element, so there should be no space between them. And you can see that width is 15 pixel or something, whatever you want to do. And now you can see that we have the links. So that style can be more better, but for now my focus is not on the style. I just want to show you how we can implement the pagination. You can change the style, that's fine, there is no issue. So if I just go to the first page, it will show the initial result. If I go to the third page, it will show me the last result. And right now, as I mentioned there, I just using the 5 results per page. If I just mentioned there 2, then you will see we have the more pages there, like first page, second page, fifth, sixth, and all, and they're perfectly working fine. And next and previous is also working fine. So if you still have any issue, you can ask me in the comment section. This is the pagination, how it work, and let me put by default 5 records per page, right? And that's all for this part, and I'll request you to please subscribe my channel, like this video, share your feedback in comment section, and this is my Paytm number for donation. Thanks guys, thank you everyone.